of you at home, this is the part of the show where we leave our sensibilities at the door. I had to phone in a friend for this. In fact, two. Joining me in the studio are Alex from Ford Performance and a SEMA mainstay who needs no introduction, Vaughn Gittin Jr. Ford teamed up with RTR Vehicles to hatch the crazy, awesome, and slightly terrifying Mustang Mach-E 1400, and it is a magnificent machine. Welcome, gentlemen.
Hello.
Hey, hey.
You guys really took this to the next level. Let me get this right. We're looking at the Mustang Mach-E 1400, where the 1400 is the amount of horsepower. People, let me put it to you this way. If the Mustang Mach-E moves like a rocket ship, this car is like light speed. You know what? Let's make this a little easier to visualize. Alex and Vaughn, can you tell the audience at home a little bit more about this beast?
Sure. To start off, 3 motors are attached to the front differential and 4 are attached to the rear in a pancake style with a single drive shaft connecting them to the differentials, which have a huge range of gearing adjustability to set the car up for everything from drifting to high-speed track racing. It's a pairing of beauty and performance that really pushes the edge of what's possible.
The chassis and powertrain are set up so that we can investigate different layouts and how they affect energy consumption and performance. Drift and track setups have completely different front-end configurations, like control arms and steering, to allow for extreme angles during drifting. In all-wheel drive, power delivery can be split between the front or the rear and completely switched between either one.
It takes a little more than off-the-shelf batteries to power this beast. These are very specialized batteries. The 56.8 kilowatt-hour battery is made up of nickel manganese cobalt pouch cells for ultra-high performance and high discharge rate. The battery system is also designed to be cooled during charging using a dielectric coolant, decreasing the time needed between our runs.
A production-based electronic brake booster is integrated to allow for regenerative braking and ABS, which optimizes performance. Mustang Mach-E 1400 features Brembo brakes like we use in our GT4 Mustang, and a handbrake system designed for drifting, which integrates with the control system, shutting off power to the rear motors. Its aerodynamics are designed to no rulebook, with a focus on cooling, a front splitter, dive planes, and this massive rear wing.
This thing looks amazing. What is it like to drive?
You know, the first time I felt the Mustang Mach-E 1400 at full power, it literally scared me. You know, this thing was built to no rulebook, like Alex just mentioned. That doesn't happen anymore. You know, this puts down 2,300 pounds of downforce at 160 miles an hour. And since we're moving so fast, we've also designed the intakes to cool the electric motors and inverters. See what I mean?
Thanks, guys. And that's our cue to see this thing do its thing. With SEMA canceled, we can't show this baby off at Ford Out Front, so we decided to have some fun with it right here in the D. Many of you watching at home have already made a reservation for or even ordered the all-new Mustang Mach-E. That means you put some money down. You've got some skin in the game, and we want to show our appreciation. So we picked one lucky reservation holder to come to the studio tonight, jump inside the Mustang Mach-E 1400 with Vaughn, and take it for a spin downtown. All right, everybody, meet Rich. Welcome, Rich.
Hello.
How you feeling tonight? Excited or a little bit nervous?
I've seen him drive. I'm excited. Definitely scared.
Don't worry, Rich. You'll be in safe hands. Vaughn is a legend, and of course, an expert driver. Vaughn, you're gonna take it easy on my man, right?
Absolutely not.
Okay, off you guys go.
Let's do it.